So, I have a question for you. When is it time to upgrade your computer? Everybody sitting out there is probably going, yeah, I'd like a new computer right now. I know I am, and I'm looking right now, so it prompted me to come on here and talk about it for a little bit. So, if you're experiencing any of the following, like the slow spinning, files are not loading, applications are crashing, then it's probably time to upgrade your computer. The computer in the business world only lasts, I want to say, about 5 years. If you go 5 to 10 years, then you're really pushing the can down the road, and your performance is going to lag. Simply put, the older machines will not take updates and upgrades to the machine. You're going to want to upgrade your computer if that's the case. Especially if you do a lot of video editing, a lot of cutting, a lot of working with pictures, graphics, files of that nature, and especially if you're doing work for clients, then you're going to probably need to upgrade your machine. And the other caveat with that is that you're probably running out of disk space at the same time. So video, music, picture files take a lot of space. So the more things that I can do on my machine, the better, as far as video editing, as far as picture editing, as far as creating publications and copywriting and doing all those things, then I'm going to use a lot of space. And so my concern is when I buy the new machine, is my hard drive going to be able to, or 3 years or 4 years down the road even, which would be pushing it, is it going to be able to sustain what I'm trying to do right now? And is it going to be able to accommodate the new features and upgrades and the beefiness of the new programs that are out there? And are those going to run efficiently? And so those are some of the questions that you need to ask yourself. Where am I going to be here starting today and then 2 or 3 or 4 years? There is a school of thought that let me try to keep, because I'm on a budget, let me try to keep my old machine running. And I'm one of those guys too. And I have an iMac 2015 model here, and it's running the old Intel. So it's not even up to the M1 yet. So it spawned me into thinking. And since I have things that are starting to, well, I want to say crash, I lost about an hour and a half of editing. So when I came back into the program, I had not realized that at a certain point that it really had frozen, and some of the changes that I was making just were not saving. Those type of programs take a big database and they work with a lot of data all at once. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a fast processor. You're going to make sure that you have a lot of memory. And then you're going to want to get the biggest hard drive that you possibly can get when you're buying a new machine. I am partial, as I said, to Macs, but I know there's some PC people out there, and there's some good PCs that you can get too. This is Keith from the eFramework Pro. Stay tuned for more tips. We'll talk to you on the next. Bye.